Hi, my name is Kana, and now I will explain to you how to do the Milikan's oil drop experiment. But first, we are on a home page of virtual Amrita laboratories, and then first thing you do is log in to your account. And after you log into your account, you can see there are a couple of choices here, but we go to physical sciences, and then after that there are modern physical control lab, and then choose the Milikan's oil drop experiment. As you can see here, there are theory, procedure, self-evaluation, simulator, assignment, reference, and feedback. To start this experiment, we need to go to the simulator and then read the procedure. And the first thing we have to do is click on the start button and then click the combo box to choose the oil, because there are two types of oil here. There are olive oil and then glycerin, but for this time we're just gonna use the olive oil. And then double click the start button on a stopwatch and notice the time taken by a drop to travel the distance between 0 centimeters to 0.5 centimeters. For now, we are going to observe the smallest drop. We're gonna wait until it appears, and then we're gonna start. We are observing this tiny little drop and wait until it reaches the end, and then stop. The time taken by the smallest drop to go from 0 centimeters to 0.5 centimeters is 2 seconds. And then we do the same thing to the other drop, the biggest one, and then the other drop. And now for another example, we are going to observe the biggest drop, the time taken by the biggest drop to travel the distance between 0 and 0.5. We're gonna wait and then press the start button and stop. So, as we can see, the time needed by the biggest drop to go through this distance is here. And then the next step is click the voltage on to suspend the same oil drop in air, which is the balancing voltage. And now, after we observe the biggest drop, I'm gonna turn the voltage on to 3.5 kilovolt. I'm gonna 3.5 kilovolt, and then as you can see, the drop, the oil drop, is suspended in the air on 3.5 kilovolt. Okay, after that, the next step is click the X-ray on button and notice the time taken by the same drop to travel the distance between any 2 points. We're still observing the biggest drop here, so we're gonna wait until the biggest drop is reached the 0.5 and then click the X-ray on and then click the X-ray off. So as you can see here, the time taken by the biggest drop to travel between this distance is 1 second. And then repeat all the experiment for another oil or glycerin. The same steps is what you need.